Hey guys, Backyard Scrapping here. We are just going to do a little quick Provident unboxing. I had to get some more silver because I've been pouring silver, and the last batch they sent me was too good to melt. So hopefully this batch is ugly. Ugly. It probably won't be though. Probably be more pretty stuff, and then I'll be needing silver again. Got to give Provident kudos on their packing. They do a good job. They do a good job on their packing. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Actually used the wrong knife, didn't I? Nah, we corrected that though. Okay. Let's see what we got. Maybe. It was supposed to be randoms, so I ordered 10. Ooh, I got me a new Aztec magnet. Cool, I didn't get a magnet last time. So that's very cool. Save that to put on my safe. Well, they might be different. I see different colors in here, so let's see what we got this time. Oh, sometimes I always hate this tape. It's actually really good tape, but it's a pain in the butt. You don't want anybody getting into something. That's the tape to use. Okay. So let us see what they sent us. Good. A buffalo. That's a melter. A melter. Good. I think it's all going to be buffaloes. Yahoo! They must have heard me. Yep. All buffalo. Good. Alright. That makes me very happy. I don't have any hard decisions to make. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 10 of them. So those guys can go right over to the melting pile. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to show you what they sent us. Or what they sent me this time. Last time it was those Pegasus. And I just didn't have the heart to melt them. I melted the ones with the milk spots on it, but that was it. Alrighty guys, we'll get back at you in the next one.